Welcome to this review and overview of Binary Options Authority's DAYTRIPPER2. This is a new system here that deals with the NADEX daily binary options. We have been wanting to launch some daily NADEX binary options for some time. Now, some people may think, oh, the NADEX daily binary option, it sounds so boring, but it's not, because it enables a lot of people a way to trade that's not so intensive, that's not so time intensive or attention intensive, so they can trade for a potential extra cash flow or maybe even a very good living. Different people have different goals, they have different levels of busyness, they have other things they do, and so they may want different styles or lifestyle types of trading systems, particularly with NADEX. Now, why NADEX? Because NADEX offers certain advantages and opportunities and certain leverages, and even you could say certain loopholes compared to other forms of trading. Also, NADEX allows you to get into the markets at a very low cost, kind of like E-minis or Forex. But with binary options, you can just usually put a credit card up there. You don't have to wire your money. What a pain, right? You can just put up a credit card and pop some money into your account. It could be $100 even. I mean, you may need to start with a little more than that, but hey, you could technically. Okay, just hope you just start winning and keep winning to grow that up. Give yourself a little bit more flexibility. Okay, let's get onto the website here, because we have to look at some of the performance records so you can get a picture of what this system is and why you would want to trade it, right? We have so many systems. Why this one, right? Well, each system has its own thing, okay? And each student seems to be looking for their own thing. So, hey, maybe this can help you out. All right, so why this system? Well, this trades micro swings. If you're familiar with my vanilla option systems, we have some very potent and powerful micro swing trading systems. Micro swing allows you to get in between the swings, capturing opportunity that you would not be able to from the day bars, okay? Because the day bars are too big. And for example, you can get into swings earlier and get out later for more profits with more accuracy. There's a whole world of opportunity on the micro swing level. Now, what's a micro swing? A micro swing is simply a bar that's less than the day bars, but it's greater than the day trading bar. So it's usually between 30 minutes and 2 hours. Somewhere in there. Okay, we'll be looking at the 60-minute bars in this system. Okay, 60. So what does that mean for you in terms of being able to trade during the day? Right? Well, with the 60-minute bars and these types of trading setups, you can just kind of give a little glance here and there, and you have a whole 60-minute per bar. Now, if you do have a setup, though, you want to be prepared to enter when it's time to enter. All right? And so you can look into different types of alerts and things like that, too, out there. We're not into that. We're more manual style, old school type of trading. Okay, we want you to be engaged, but hey, if you're doing other things, it may help to get you some price trigger alerts, but if you need it. But anyway, so 60-minute bars, these are nice and laid back. It's throughout the day. This is not overnight. We don't want to get involved in all that. Day tripper here. We're here, scroll down here. Performance listed here is for the NQ US Tech, okay, the NASDAQ Futures and NADEX. This is 4 weeks. And you can see here the at the money scenario, right? And you can see how we just kind of march along here. So we have 16 wins and 5 losses. And, you can do that with a 20-minute binary option system in one day for 3 hours. If you want it to sit there, but once you get started in that type of active system, It's essentially a job, full-time job. I mean, you can trade it for 2 or 3 hours, but if you have a job, you're not going to be able to trade that type of way, right? Unless you have a job where no one's paying attention, okay? So here you can kind of float along, looking at the 60-minute bars, pop on your trade, okay, and just kind of keep it casual and just simply, methodically look to march this up over time. So what does this translate into? So if you had 10 contracts per trade, we did a little math up here. That could be $5,000 a month extra income. Let's say you average 11 trades at the money. Let's just call it 50-50 for example. Okay, you win. When you win 50, you lose 50. Of course, that's not in real trading. It's a little plus and minus. Depends on what's given at the time of your entry in terms of the prices that's closest to at the money. All right, so this could be a $5,500 a month income at 10 contracts. Okay, then. And, for perspective's sake, let's say you're able to work up to 100 contracts per trade, and, you find yourself being able to solidly trade this system. Okay, I mean, you find that, hey, this is a way that clicks with me, and this is solid, so you can net out 11 profitable trades, okay, 16 minus 5. So if you can do that consistently and super solidly over the months, then hey, your account will grow, right? And then eventually, I don't know what you're starting. Maybe you're starting at 100 contracts. Maybe you're starting at 1,000 contracts, right? So, but let's just say you had 100 contracts, and then you're looking at $55,000 a month, all right? So that's looking more like a really good way to trade vanilla options, all right? So, for example, trading micro swing trading this way with Nadex offers you, I would say, a different type of consistency for profitability. Okay, with Nadex binary options using the day binaries versus just trading the momentum on the vanilla options. Okay, so I think you'll get that. I don't know if you've traded vanilla options, but I think you'll get that when it kind of sinks in that, hey, this opportunity is pretty cool because all I need to do is simply move a couple ticks past my strike, okay, or even one tick past your strike price and be in the money, and you win the whole thing, right? You don't have to get out early. And this is another thing with Nadex trading in this way, in the micro swing way. You don't have to mind a stop loss, okay? You can if you want. You don't have to, take your profits. You don't have to do trail stops or anything. You can simply trade the binary options way. The original intent of binary options trading was to simply put on your trade and be done with it. Okay, that's why this industry exploded. That's what I saw about binary options way back when that broker just kept bugging me to make a binary options system for the markets and start promoting binary options back in 2009. Okay, I was the first to make that binary option system to the binary options market, and I help push the marketplace towards more professional trading versus its goofy gaming thing they're doing. And so the whole market exploded, and I think even Nadex was born off that trend. So anyways, binary options, I noticed, had a certain unique advantage in that they were so simple and they were so much more fun to trade because all I needed to do was enter well. And that alone, firstly, forced me to focus on entering better. It got me designing systems in a new way, opened my eyes to look out into the future, okay, to anticipate the future better. And then, of course, it was very nice that I didn't have to mind my trade. I can just put it on. And then so when you start entering better, and then you start just not having to manage the trade, then you can prudently and precisely and strategically start to stack these trades for extraordinary profits. Now, stacking the trades and all this and that and cluster stacking, I mean, that's outside of this system, and I don't even know if I have those systems up yet. Anyways, but there's plenty of extraordinary systems that we have here on Binary Options Authority that give you the potential for ridiculous profits. I mean, you can see from our success stories and Hall of Fame board on Binary Options Authority and the Options Trading Authority. I mean, some of our students report to us hitting up 6 and 7 figures from the binary options, and we've heard things from brokers in the past too, which, you know, pretty impressive. Okay, I wish we arranged a cut of student profits, but you know, anyway. So this system, again, it's a micro swing trading system. It's laid back. It's a lifestyle type system. Read over the page. Maybe this fits you. If not, we have tons of other products. I think you can see on this video up here, the menu's still up here. And yeah, it drops down and, you know, you see all the different types. You can just go to all products right there. Okay, all products. And then you can see all our products. And if we haven't been keeping up with our website work, which is often, just let us know what you're looking for. We probably have it. Okay. We have other websites too with other products, which are all different solutions. Okay, yeah. And then then also we have systems we just haven't put out there. Okay, even some I don't know if we ever will, but a lot of systems are just backed up because, you know, this website works such a, you know, such a tedious waste of time. Okay, but anyways. So we're trying better. So just let us know. Contact us, and maybe we have your solution that could really help give you a boost. All right, that's about it. So again, this is Day Tripper, and come on over to the website if you're not here. Let's say you're seeing this on YouTube. If you're here on Day Tripper page, and if you want to buy the system, just scroll down and hit the add to cart button. All right, thanks.